Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Laundry Sheets is probably one of the most revolutionary advancements in household cleaning, offering a powerful yet eco-conscious way to tackle your laundry needs without the plastic waste and heavy jugs associated with traditional detergents. Imagine a world where your detergent comes in a compact, dissolvable sheet, making laundry days simpler, cleaner, and significantly better for the planet, all while delivering a powerful clean that rivals even the most potent liquid or powder formulas. These innovative sheets are designed to dissolve completely in your wash, leaving no residue behind, just brilliantly clean clothes and a clear conscience. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fragrance-Free. Introducing Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets. Experience powerful cleaning that's gentle on your skin and tough on stains. Go green with our innovative liquidless formula. These sheets are designed for an eco-conscious clean, reducing plastic waste. Formulated to be kind to sensitive skin. Enjoy a fresh, clean laundry experience without irritation. Take your laundry routine anywhere. Their compact, travel-friendly design makes them perfect for on-the-go. Don't let tough stains win. These sheets effectively tackle odors and grime in both hot and cold water cycles. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful cleaning. Get more washes with less hassle and a smaller environmental footprint. What we like. This option is perfect for those with sensitive skin or who prefer unscented products. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective clean without any added perfumes, this is the choice for you. It tackles tough stains and odors while being kind to your skin and the environment. What people say. They come out clean and smelling fresh. I like the spatial convenience of storing this product. It literally takes up the space of a hot pad that one would use for their oven or a couple of CDs thick. Love the ease of use and the fact that there's no plastic container. Eco-friendly. Number 4. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a new way to do laundry that's better for you and the planet. Our innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the mess. These concentrated sheets tackle tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Experience a deep clean that's gentle on your skin and fabrics. Say goodbye to liquid waste and plastic. Our eco-friendly formula is designed to be kind to the environment, with no harsh chemicals or dyes. Perfect for any lifestyle, these sheets are incredibly compact and travel-friendly. Take them anywhere without worrying about spills or leaks. Just toss a sheet into your wash, hot or cold. It dissolves completely, delivering a brilliant clean every time. It's laundry made simple and effective. Enjoy the benefits of a powerful clean that's also hypoallergenic and gentle on sensitive skin. Get brilliantly clean clothes without irritation. What we like. If you enjoy a light, fresh scent with your laundry, this is a great pick. It offers the same powerful cleaning as its fragrance-free counterpart but with an added pleasant aroma. Choose this if you want your clothes to smell fresh after every wash. What people say. Great idea and works very well. I use 2 sheets per load. They come out clean and smelling fresh. It's fragrance-free, which helps with my allergies, plus it's less plastic. It cleans well, easy to store since it takes up less space than a notepad, and dissolves easily. Very light and effective laundry sheets, dissolves rapidly. Number 3. Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a cleaner, greener way to do laundry. Our innovative sheets offer powerful cleaning in a compact form. Experience a refreshing scent with every wash. These sheets deliver a deep clean, tackling tough stains while being gentle on fabrics. Make a sustainable choice for your home. Our detergent sheets come in a non-plastic, clear design, reducing waste and environmental impact. Perfect for sensitive skin. These hypoallergenic sheets are formulated to be gentle yet effective, ensuring a comfortable clean for everyone. Ideal for any situation. Whether at home, in a dorm, or traveling, these lightweight sheets make laundry effortless and mess-free. Say goodbye to spills and excess packaging. Enjoy a simple, no-waste laundry experience with our convenient liquidless sheets. What we like. For those who do a lot of laundry or want a long-lasting supply, this option is ideal. Its hypoallergenic formula is great for sensitive skin, and the zero-waste packaging appeals to the eco-conscious consumer. If you're looking for a bulk, sustainable, and gentle laundry solution, consider this. What people say. These laundry sheets works well on average dirt and grime. The lightweight design makes them easy to travel to and from my apartment to the laundry room, without having to worry about spills of any kind from this detergent, because they're made into sheets and are not loose or liquid. I like these sheets, because there's no measuring when it comes to putting them into the washer, and the sheets dissolve all the way, leaving no residue on my clothes. Number 2. Poesie fragrance-free laundry detergent sheets. Experience the concentrated cleaning power in every sheet. Simply adjust the number of sheets based on your load size and the level of soiling for a perfect clean every time. Our unscented formula is designed with sensitive skin in mind. Enjoy the natural scent of plant extracts, leaving your laundry fresh and odorless after washing. Formulated with gentle ingredients like coconut oil and plant extracts, these sheets care for your delicate skin. They dissolve quickly in both cold and hot water for efficient cleaning. Forget bulky plastic jugs. These lightweight sheets come in a compact package that saves space and is easy to carry, perfect for home, dorms, travel, and camping. Make a positive impact with our plastic-free laundry solution. The entire product is made from sustainable materials, reducing your environmental footprint. What we like. This product is a fantastic choice for individuals who prioritize a fragrance-free experience and are committed to zero waste. The large count ensures you won't run out quickly, making it convenient for frequent travelers or busy households. If you need a hypoallergenic, unscented, and environmentally friendly option in a large quantity, this is it. What people say. These laundry sheets works well on average dirt and grime. The lightweight design makes them easy to travel to and from my apartment to the laundry room, without having to worry about spills of any kind from this detergent, because they're made into sheets and are not loose or liquid. I like these sheets, because there's no measuring when it comes to putting them into the washer, and the sheets dissolve all the way, leaving no residue on my clothes. Number 1. Sudstainables laundry detergent sheets. Experience a powerful clean with every sheet. These pre-measured detergent sheets dissolve instantly, tackling dirt, odors, and stains for soft, fresh, and residue-free clothes. Our laundry sheets are perfect for any situation. They are lightweight and mess-free, ideal for home, travel, camping, RVs, dorms, or laundromats. These laundry sheets are safe for the whole family, even with sensitive skin. They are gentle enough for baby clothes yet strong enough for everyday wear. Say goodbye to heavy jugs and messy powders. Each compact box replaces bulky plastic bottles, offering a convenient alternative for your laundry needs. Designed for those who value simplicity, these sheets make every wash routine more convenient. They are lightweight, easy to carry, and simple to store. Enjoy the fresh linen scent that leaves your clothes smelling great. Our dissolvable sheets offer a compact and effective way to do laundry. What we like. If you're seeking the ultimate convenience and a generous supply, this option stands out with its 200 loads. The fresh linen scent provides a classic clean fragrance. It's perfect for anyone who values simplicity, needs a travel-friendly solution, and wants to replace bulky detergents with a compact, effective alternative. What people say. Works great, clothes are clean and sweet-smelling. Economical and no giant plastic jugs. It has made laundry so Michigan easier for me. Truly, I tell every disabled person about this product because I love it so much. It's a wonderful detergent. Has a great smell. And is so easy to use even if you have a major physical disability. Pleasantly surprised how well these work. Have used them 7-8x and clothes come out clean and smelling great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.